Today I'm going to explain how to play the multiple game. In order to play the multiple game, you and your partner will need one game board to share, and you will need two different colors, two different colored pencils, two different colored pens, a pencil and a pen. Either way, you need to have two different colors. For our example, player one is going to be purple. And we're going to pretend player one is me, Mrs. Wolfie. Player two is going to be my green. And we're going to pretend player two is Jane. All right, to start the game, player one, purple, me, player one's going to choose a target number. My target number that I choose has to have factors on the board that can be circled by my partner. I also can't choose anything that's already been chosen before. So for example, I'm going to choose 6 and I'm going to circle it with my purple color. Now it's Jane's turn. Jane is going to circle all of the factors of 6. So what times what equals 6? Well, 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. That's about it. Now when we keep track of score, you're adding up all the totals that you've circled. So far the score is Mrs. Wolfie has 6 points. Jane has 6 points. So we're tied up. Now that Jane is done circling all the factors, then it's Jane's turn to circle a target number. Whatever Jane circles, there has to be factors that I can circle. So I have to be able to have a chance. Okay? So let's say Jane is going to choose to circle 8 for the target number. Then it's my turn. It's Mrs. Wolfie's turn. Mrs. Wolfie is going to circle any factors of 8 that are left. Well, I know 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 is already circled, so I can only circle 4. Nothing times 5, nothing times 7 equals 8. I'm done. Now it's my turn to circle a target number. I'm going to circle 14. Here's the target number. Now it's Jane's turn to circle the factors of 14. So what numbers times, when we're multiplying, equal 14? Well, 2 times 7, so Jane can circle a 7. There's nothing else that Jane could circle. So then Jane's done circling the factors. Now it's Jane's turn to choose a target number. Let's see here. Could Jane circle a 9? Jane cannot use 9 as a target number because there are no factors left on the game board for me to circle. And Jane has to give me a chance. I have to be able to circle something. So if Jane were to circle 9 on accident because Jane wasn't paying attention, then I would say, hey, Jane, there's no factors left for me to circle. And then we'd have to cross it out and Jane would lose her turn. Okay, so let's just say Jane is going to use 15 instead. So Jane's going to circle 15 for a target number. So now I'm thinking, what times what can equal 15? And what's left? I know 5 times 3 is, so I can circle a 5. And we keep going back and forth. At the end, we can add up all of our circles to see who wins with the most points.